Finally! Hello mga kabangbang! There you go! Sabi ng isang kong kaibigan, you should have a taste and smell test daw. So for today, tayo ay pupunta sa isang lugar kung saan tayo ay mag-check ng ating nose and tongue test. Ba? Yun! There! And yeah, my friend na nagsabi niyan is Arnold. Shout out sa'yo. If you are from Rojas, you could order his chocolate cake, cheesecake, with crumbles and chocolate ganache in a tin can. So, chat niyo lang siya. That's his messenger name sa Facebook. There you go. So, let's fix ourselves. And gora-gora na. It's raining outside.
Can you see it? No, syempre. Cannot see the rain. But there, it's raining.
Raining na maglakat eh. Nag-uulan man. And since hindi tayo makakalabas, let's brew our coffee. Got here Cauldron Plus. It has there, glutathione, acai berry, aloe vera, and vitamin C. You know what's my plan? Sana pupunta tayo sa ISABELLA'S. Na pwede akong kumain. And of course, yun nga, mag-smell and taste test tayo. Okay? So far, okay pa naman yung aking smell and let's see the taste. I can still taste coffee. Yeah! break na lang ta, dali na lang gid. Gutom ka na gid haw. Ara na. Sa kung diin may LPC nga nakapark. There you go. There you go. Thank you so much for joining me in this vlog and I hope to see you around. Not soon as maybe, but yeah, I hope to see you around. Coffee, cheers! Love it!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!